this Sahabi that we're discussing today, as Imam al-Dhahabi and others have mentioned, he was well known amongst the Quraysh for having great akhlaq with his parents, for being from those that would serve his parents, his mother, his father, for being obedient to his parents, for being at the service of his parents. Sa'd ibn Abi Waqqas is the one we're talking about. Sa'd ibn Abi Waqqas radiyallahu anhu. His actual name is Sa'd ibn Malik. When he became a Muslim, when he left shirk and he came on tawheed, when he corrected his aqeedah, his mother, who was beloved to him, when she heard about this, she told him, Ya Sa'd, O Sa'd, I will not eat or drink or sit in the shade. I will sit in the hot Arabian Mecca desert in the sun until you leave Islam. Leave this religion. Now it's a big test. Think about this, right? You love your mother. You love your father. You're not disrespectful. You're not a rebellious child. But now, a decision comes. Tawheed or your parents. First day passed. She didn't eat. She didn't drink. She sat in the hot sun. Second day. It's not like fasting or eating in the night. No eating at all. No drinking. Have you guys been to Mecca in the heat? Sit outside. You see what I mean. Second day, same thing. Third day, he went to his mother. He told her, he said, my mother, I love you. I respect you. I obey you in everything. But know this, that even if you had 100 lives and you killed yourself 100 times, and I saw your ruh leaving your body 100 times, I will not leave this deen. So eat if you like or drink if you like. What does that tell you? Yes, you need to be obedient to your parents, but not in disobedience to Allah. Today, we see somebody at a Milad festival. What is this? You guys have Milad or you don't have it? Maybe you guys don't have it. They have a Milad festival. We'll see some young man. Akhi, what are you doing? You know it's bid'ah. Did Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam do it? No. Did Abu Bakr, Umar, Uthman, Ali radiallahu anhum do it? Some secret hadith I don't know about? No. Did any of the Sahabah do it? No. Abu Hanifa, Imam Malik, Al-Shafi'i, Ahmad, A'imma al-Muslimin, Al-Awza'i, Abdullah bin Mubarak, did they do it? No. Is it in the Quran? No. Is it in the Sunnah? No. So what is that? It's a bid'ah. So you tell somebody it's a bid'ah. He said, Akhi, my mom made me come. Well, tell your mom no. My dad said I gotta go. Tell your dad no. Look, there is a line to be drawn. I'm going to Dargah. What is the Dargah? You're going to Dargah? It's shirk. People making sujood there to qubur. But it's a family thing, in our culture. What culture? My culture is Islam. Begin with Quran and end with Sunnah. This is my culture. Whatever goes against the Quran and Sunnah, I have no need for it. Whatever takes me to shirk, I have no need for it. No matter who cries, no matter who gets upset, if my family don't want to talk to me, that's their business. I'm going to be good to them. I'm going to keep relations with them, but not at the expense of shirk. And this is what we learn from the life of Sa'd ibn Waqqas radiyallahu anhu.